guys, good morning.
Say good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yay! Today we are going to...
Awesome.
We're not going to this, we're going to Breeze Condo.
Stronger.
We're going to swimming.
Swimming.
Wow, you want to swim?
Say yes.
Yes. Sabi mo, let's go swimming. Let's go.
Let's go.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Let's go. Papayagan?
Bye.
Where are we going? Is it?
What's that?
Say containers. Containers.
Bye.
So bye-bye.
Daddy, where are you? Daddy, where are you? Daddy! 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 Daddy!
We're going to swim. Are you excited? Huh? With hippo?
Saan si Boy? Hi! How are you?
How are you?
We're going to swimming pool.
Swimming pool. Ocean.
Wow. Wait, what is that? Swimming pool. Want to swim? Yeah. Swimming or playground? Swimming na? Playground muna tayo. Playground. Wow. Hindi, kailangan niya sa playground. Kailangan niya sa playground. Di ba mag-playground ikaw? Swimming ka din, tapos playground? Punas. Yay, playground ikaw and swimming? Let's go. Come on, go on.
Mas maganda dito sa isang flight.
Dito sa playground? Sa kabila? Ayun na boy, swimming kami. 1, 2, 3, jump! Wow! Hello! Hi guys, sobrang ganda ng ilaw dito. No? Ganda ng lightning. Ang video. Ayun, ang ganda.
Hi guys. Hi guys.
Walk ka na, walk! Walk ka na dun, go! Punta ka dun! 1, 2, 3, go! Punta ka na dun! Yay! Balik ka mami, balik!
Come here na, contact slowly. Ayaw, what?
Sarap swimming, sarap. Go ka mami!
Here boy, come. Dulas dyan, come here.
Dulas ka na. 30 minutes na po. Nanginginig po ito kasama namin. Cold? So cold? Cold ikaw?
You don't like to swim na?
Up na tayo? Ha? Dahil na yung swimming pag nag-up na ha? Dahil na yung swimming. Oh, please. Let me hippo. Wow!
Ha? Oh no. Ang kulay.
May fit sila. Ganito kalaki sa atin. Maganda doon. Monster.
The hamster. You're a dumpster? You want hamster? Hamster?
How about bird? Bird, Yung sa ano, yung sa nakita natin sa...
Hindi na malaki?
Hi guys, so we're going home na po. Say bye-bye to the vlog po. Bye guys. Are you happy? Yes. Where's the boat? Turo mo. Sa dagat. Babay ka na sa kanila. Bye-bye.
Going home. Go to daddy.